Hello everyone, this is Cyrus from AML and my topic is multimedia broadcast system based on embedded platform. The main thing is an embedded system is a specialized computer system which centers on application based on computer technology. Besides this, application system has strict demand for function, reliability, cost, memory, management, and power consumption. Moreover, its software and hardware can be cut. In recent years, the embedded system has developed rapidly. This presentation is based on embedded hardware platform and the mainstream embedded operating system on right. That is on right. To realize common audio and video formats, media player which has many functions such as pause, play, single cycle, the volt circulation, progress bar, and so on. At the same time, perfect combination of viewer pages plus fragment in activity can optimize the program design, increase the fluency and readability of software running. What is embedded system? Embedded system is a complete computer system which includes hardware and software, but it is different from the general computer system. The definition of embedded system is that it is a specialized computer system which centers on application based on computer technology and which has a strict requirement for the system functions, reliability, cost, volume, and power consumption. By employing this system, software and hardware can also be reduced. An embedded system is embedded into special microprocessor control object, but its function is more professional than ordinary computer professional. Generally, computer can be specific to a certain aspect, the appropriate speed, high reliability, and low cost. The embedded system consists of embedded hardware platform, embedded system software, and embedded application software. Simply, we can say embedded system, the examples of embedded systems are micro oven, washing machine, refrigerators, and so on. The embedded hardware platform includes embedded processor and peripherals. Common embedded processor have ARM, MIPS, MK6800, and so on. Embedded system software is similar to Windows OS of microcomputer to control the whole embedded hardware platform, such as the Android operating system. Embedded application software is related to industry applications. Here you can see the applications. Applications: home, contacts, phone, browser. In application framework, this is the Android operating system structure diagram. This whole structure is the Android operating system structure diagram. In this, we have the application has home, contacts, phone, browser, and so this is the menu. So activity manager, in that we have the activity managers and window managers, content providers, view system, notification managers, package manager, telephone manager, resource manager, location manager, XMPP service. Libraries, we have also libraries to function all these: surface manager, media framework, SQLite, Open GLI, FreeType, WebKit, SGL, SSL, LIBC, Android runtime, core libraries, and Dalvik virtual machine. And we have the Linux kernel, display driver, camera driver, Bluetooth driver, flash memory driver, Blinder IPC driver, and USB driver, keypad driver, Wi-Fi driver, audio driver, power management. These are the Linux kernel. This whole structure represents the Android operating system. From the schematic diagram, the Android operating system can be divided into 4 layers. The application framework layer, support layer, and base Linux kernel layer. The application layer can be written by Java engineer according to Java language and be suitable for mobile devices to run app program which possess UI interaction friendly and system compatibility. Application framework layer provides the API framework function for application layer software. When designing large scale software, the design of architecture simplifies the program design by reusing the component functions and bringing the great convenience for the programmers. The support libraries layers provides the functions of the library for the application framework, and this layer can invoke the static library and dynamic library, which is similar to other operating system. Linux kernel layer is the key layer to maintain the kernel running and be responsible for task scheduling and receiving of feedback the upper task and manages all the hardware equipments. Interactive interface design. In this, interactive interface includes the main interface design, buttons, playlist, etc. When the software runs, appearing the welcome screen at first and then display player's surface after clicking the button. When the entering the player, it would display some information simultaneously such as the playlist, playback progress bar, playtime, total time, audio name, current time, volume control button, the screen adjust button, the singer, the lyrics, and the other information. This is this total which are showing this audio name and all these things. It comes under the interactive interface design. If jumping the other interface, adding different transition animations beside in order to adapt to the change of screen and over variation of translation of layout with difference of screen resolution, the player uses a linear layout and absolute layout. In this source file, the layout file of interface exists in XML file format and can set all various attributes and add controls. Moreover, it can be matched flexibly and can be designed all kind of the satisfied interface effect. Playback of the main program design. The player using the media player class control media files which realize the suspension, broadcast, progress bars, and the other functions of audio and video. At the same time, the player combines the play video and music playback into an activity perfectly by adapting view, pager, plus fragments techniques, which reducing the amount of the main function code and increase the fluency and readability of the software running. Play control design. With regards to designing playback control, there are some functions such as play, pause, the next song, volume adjustment, the progress of bar drag, playing schedule jumps with the change of time playing, playback time, updates per second, according to the 16 is to 9 or 4 is to 3 screen and full screen zoom. At the same time, audio and video cannot interact each other when playing simultaneously. Design and analysis of embedded player software program. This is the design of the embedded player software program. Software program flowchart is shown in this figure. The player software is mainly composed of initialization program, the main play interface, playlist, and progress bar and buttons, etc. Besides the common functions of playback software can be realized. Here we can see the flowchart of the software program design. Initial, next play surface, then after menu we will get the playlist, and from the playlist we will select the one song. So it is yes, the option play, it is option and added to the song. Otherwise, if we go to the settings again, we go to the play surface and the cycle will be continue. Here, if we won't select no, the playlist again, if we go back, the playlist will show again. And if we select again, the ad will be and the song will be added into the playlist. This is the flowchart of software program design. Testing video playback. The first one, full screen adjustment function between 16 is to 9 and 4 is to can be realized as shown in figure 4. The second one, the player displays the current time and the total time as shown in 5. The progress bar can be dragged and dropped in the real time. Besides, volume can be adjusted in real time system, which can be displayed in the upper right corner of for user to easily watch video and understand the current time. The top left corner shows the top left corner shows the name of the video. Click the playlist button in the top left corner and enter the video list to select the video playlist. See video thumbnails and its name, the total length of the video and the size of video file. It is very convenient for querying his history of play, the video ID and the video path, video playback effects, music MP3 player. Displays music list and just click the music played in real time beside the progress bar can be dragged to play music in real time. If checking out the cycle, it will circularly play this music. If not checking, it will play the whole song and automatically switch the next. Certainly, manually click button to switch the next song. Here we can see the figure 4 initializing interface and the figure 5 play effect. Here with the pause button, next song, and this is the next song and this is the previous. This is the play time. This is the interface. Okay. The design player has been installed on R9 embedded platform and Android mobile platform. The player function and effect can achieve the desired design effect by testing. It can play audio and video. The main interface function buttons control normally. Moreover, playback it is very effective fluid by using of the code optimization techniques combining with the view pager and the fragmentation. Thank you.